How does the 1099 form work for us taxes? Imagine earning money outside of your regular paycheck and wondering how that affects your taxes. That's where the 1099 form comes into play, helping you keep track of income from different sources. When you work as a freelancer, independent contractor, or receive certain types of payments, the business or organization paying you is responsible for sending you a 1099 form. They send one copy to you and another to the Internal Revenue Service, which is the government agency that collects taxes. The main goal of the 1099 form is to let both you and the IRS know about income earned outside of a traditional job. Even if you don't get a 1099 form, you still need to report that income on your tax return. Receiving a 1099 doesn't automatically mean you owe taxes, but it does mean you must include that income when calculating your total taxable income. There are different types of 1099 forms for various income sources. The most common is the 1099 NEC, which reports payments of $600 or more made to independent contractors or freelancers for services. If you do freelance work or gig jobs, you will likely see this form. The 1099 MISC is used for other types of income like rent, royalties, or prizes that don't fall under the 1099 NEC. The 1099 INT reports interest income of $10 or more paid by banks or financial institutions. The 1099 DIV reports dividends and distributions from investments, while the 1099G covers government payments like unemployment benefits or state tax refunds. When you receive a 1099 form, you need to use the information on it to fill out your tax return accurately. If you are self-employed or work as an independent contractor, you might also need to pay self-employment taxes, which cover Social Security and Medicare. For Asian American taxpayers, understanding the 1099 form is especially important because many in this community do freelance work, own small businesses, or have investment income that generates 1099 forms. Properly reporting this income helps avoid penalties and keeps you compliant with U.S. tax laws. It's also smart to keep good records of all payments received and related expenses, so you can accurately report your income and claim deductions if applicable. In summary, the 1099 form acts as an informational document that reports non-employee income to you and the government. Different types of 1099 forms cover various income sources, and knowing which one applies to your situation helps you file your taxes correctly. For Asian American taxpayers, understanding how these forms work supports proper reporting and helps manage tax obligations related to freelance work, investments, and other income streams.